My name is Isla Wilson, my pronouns are she and her, and I am the chair of CWP. This month the board met with a really large group of people from across the organisation, so clinicians, corporate office staff, people from all of the care groups, and we had a lot of people in the room for a conversation about transformation, and it was a chance for us to reconnect with and learn about all the brilliant stuff that's happening, talk about what we want to do more of, talk about how we remove the barriers and how we can think differently about the sort of changes we want to make to improve outcomes for people who use and need our services and their families. And the main thing I wanted to say in my blog is that it was really, really nice, and it was inspiring, and it was energising, and it was full of ingenuity and hope and brilliant ideas. And it reminded me, and I suppose I wanted to remind you, how powerful it is when things are tough, to try and find the time to look for the brilliant stuff that's happening, to spend time with brilliant colleagues, and to give yourselves a chance to focus on all of the really great stuff that's happening in our organisation every day. It will make the hard stuff easier, but for me it's been a really wonderful day of reconnecting with the art of the possible and reminding myself how great it is to be surrounded by all these amazing people, and what a privilege it is to get to hear about brilliant things that are happening. Thank you.